We're being very brave. We are filming a Costco grocery haul in Costco. Get this, on a Sunday. Do you guys see this?
Costco's always full.
Oh my God. I like mango. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are actually in the parking lot of Costco on a Sunday morning. We are gonna do a come shop with me grocery haul, sharing our essentials that we get at Costco pretty much every time we come. So I actually wanna do more Costco hauls like this, and maybe I can do different themes. But today, just to kick things off, we thought we would share just like our Costco essentials and some things I think you guys should pick up when you're shopping at your local Costco. So let's hop right in. Before we do, actually, make sure you are subscribed to this channel. It's free. I do grocery hauls, I do recipes, I do routines. Matt and I vlog every single Friday. Lots of videos for you guys to check out. I'll have a link down below for you guys to subscribe. And without further ado, let's go shopping. Okay, so I'm just getting mic'd up so you guys can actually hear me in there, because you know, Costco's a warehouse. There's a lot of people. And let's do this. I'm gonna leave my jacket in the car. The aisle Matt goes in every time. TVs.
Like I want this.
I want the one behind you.
It's like 75-inch. So.
Look at his face when he sees the TV.
Look at this guy. Better than that one?
Wow.
There's some Call of Duty on there, Chloe.
All right, move along, sir.
Okay.
Move along. So Costco actually has an amazing selection of really great breads. This one is Sprouted by Silver Hills. They have some other ones here that are amazing, and not just one of each brand, but multiple. Like there's 3 of this one. I'm gonna try this one. I don't know if I've had this one before. It's the multi-grain, but sprouted bread is really good for you. It's easier to digest, higher in protein and stuff, and it's delicious. So this is a double pack. I'll freeze one and I'll keep the rest to enjoy throughout the week, because I never go through 2 loaves in a week. It's just Matt and I. So I'm grabbing some organic chicken. I love their organic chicken here because it's so much cheaper, and I usually get the wings and the thighs. I think dark meat is really underrated, and I usually will cook up half of it and then freeze the rest for later. Cheese, we don't eat a ton of cheese, but we definitely love cheese and crackers, grating some on pasta or for lasagna. This one's really good. Their butter is amazing, Kerrygold, but they also have a really good cheddar. So I'm gonna grab some of this. Hummus, this is my favorite one. It's caramelized onion hummus, so flavorful, super creamy. And we always get the double pack because we go through it like every week. We go through hummus, so I always get it. This is my absolute favorite salsa. I feel like once you get hooked on this one, other more tomato-y salsas just aren't the same. It has like some sweetness to it. It's organic. There's no added sugar in this. Oh wait, there is. There's agave syrup. When did that come in here? I swear this didn't have sugar in it before. That's why it's so good. It's okay. It's like near the end. It's my favorite. It's so good, so I'm gonna grab some. This is the coldest section of Costco that you normally just like run in and out of to get your goods. It's so cold. Grabbing some cucumbers, and I use these a lot actually in my smoothies, which I know is an unconventional way to use cucumber. And I also just love them for dipping into hummus and just having as a snack. So I like that they have a 3-pack here for $4.50. Seems expensive for cucumbers, but I swear they're getting more expensive every day. I think I'm making them more popular, so I'm sorry cucumbers, but I'm gonna grab you. How are you? Sorry. I thought you looked up at me because I didn't know if Chloe had the camera up, and I thought you're like, oh, it's for you. So we're trying to be like incognito here. So
on a Sunday, you guys came at the worst.
So we're about halfway through, ran into a subscriber who, funny enough, I run into her so many times, shout out to Kelly, and we're almost done. We haven't got kicked out yet. We've run into a lot of employees, but we have not been spotted, so I think we're gonna be able to wrap this up. How you doing, Matt? Matt's had to pee for like The whole time. You're like a little kid. Why couldn't you pee before we started?
I worked out this morning. I drank like 3 bottles of water while working out. You know, hydration is key.
I know.
So,
It keeps whining every second. I'm like, listen, I got
go.
period cramps. I don't want to hear about your pee. Okay, let's go. So next up, we got some eggs. I love eggs, poached, scrambled. It's great for baking, and I love that they have organic here. So I'm gonna grab a large pack. So I'm grabbing some sparkling water. This is my favorite. I don't drink pop, so this is kind of my version of pop. And I swear we buy a case like every week, and it goes so fast because everyone's like in and out of our place. You know, we got the HealthNut team coming in and out, so we always try to have lots of delicious drinks, and I like these because they don't have any sugar in them. So I'm also grabbing a large pack of some lemons. I use lemons all the time in my lemon water in the morning, and it's just one of my favorite citrus fruits. You can get a large pack here for, we'll put how much, I forget. But yeah, these are really good too, and they're nice and large. Sometimes they don't fit in my lemon squeezer, but they're delicious, and I'm gonna grab some too. I like mango. So I love Costco's frozen fruit selection and even vegetables, but I always get the frozen mango. Besides banana, this is the next most popular fruit that I put in my smoothies. It blends up really creamy, and I love this brand, Nature's Touch. Their mango is really delicious, so I'm gonna grab some of that. So there was like an actual customer behind us laughing at me because I was so embarrassed. Oh man, well, I'm sure they're laughing with me. Do we need these? He's gone. They're so cute. I bought a similar one like this last week, so maybe I'll leave that one. So I am a huge fish and seafood lover, so Costco really has a great selection. They have salmon, cod, rainbow trout, really tuna, anything you need. So my favorite is the rainbow trout, or I'll get the wild salmon that they have here. This is such a great quick thing that you can just cook up on a weeknight with some veggies and you're set. So I'm gonna grab the rainbow trout today. So this pack of almond milk, there's 3 in here. They're unsweetened, and you guys know I go through almond milk, oat milk all the time. Smoothies, baking, cereal if I'm craving it. So this is a really good pack to grab if you go through it a lot. Nut butters, you guys know I love peanut butter, nut butter, almond butter, all the butters. So this one here is really good. It's a creamy almond butter. This one here, I believe the ingredients are really minimal. It just has roasted almonds, and when it comes to almond butter, I love roasted. It just has a better flavor, and this one's super creamy. Next, I actually have 2 items. So these are like the all natural sweeteners that I get every time. This is an organic unpasteurized honey, and then I always get the Canadian maple syrup they have. We basically go through this a lot in baking, Sunday pancakes. These are my 2 favorites. Why is filming in Costco on a Sunday morning so stressful? I swear there's someone behind me every time just judging me, like, why are you filming? Why do you think you're so special? Olives, I get these every time. These are my favorite kind. I think they're Italian olives. I don't know, it says green olives, but they're really big and they're really vibrant green. They're more of a mellow tasting one if you find Kalamata olives too kind of sour. These are delicious, and I always stock up when I'm here. They're so good, you guys have to try them. Pasta sauce. Now when it comes to pasta sauce, you want to try to get it in glass. And this one here is really good because it's marinara, which is like my favorite type of pasta sauce. You can use this even in lasagna, but this one is also organic, which I love. Okay, so next item is quinoa. I love quinoa. It's actually a seed, but it's full of protein and fiber, and it's just such an easy grain or seed to cook up. And I love to put these in like Buddha bowls, even soups, stir fries. There's so much you can do with quinoa, and I just think it's a really versatile product. So I go through a lot, so we're gonna get a big bag. So 2 oils that I love to grab here is avocado oil and coconut oil. Oh, this one's really heavy. I love avocado oil because it has a high smoke point, so you can use it to roast all of your vegetables and fish and chicken this season. And it has a very neutral taste. So it's not like olive oil. You can put it in anything, even baking, and it's amazing. And this is a really good brand. Mary's crackers, we get these every single time. They're one of the healthiest crackers that you can buy, and they're so much cheaper at Costco because in a regular grocery store for just a little pack is like $6. So you get, I think this is like 4 packs in one, and it's under $10. So always get these. Just essentials, that's all I'm getting. These are Matt's essential, his popcorn. I don't even know what's in these. 3 ingredients, not too bad. Oh, should I get some socks? I feel like every time I come to Costco, oh, Matt's lost us. I'm like, do I need more socks? They have the best ones. I'm gonna leave them today, but these are really good. We're back now, we're done our shopping. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm actually gonna have a poll in the top right-hand corner for the next Costco themed video. If you guys wanna see like all their organic stuff or shopping on a budget at Costco, that was Matt's idea, and or even just like their freezer essentials that I love to get. Let me know, vote, and I'll definitely do that for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. As always, don't forget to subscribe. I post new videos here every single week, and I'm gonna have a playlist down below of other grocery hauls if you like these type of videos. So thank you so much for watching. Happy Costco shopping, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.